What was the most impactful internship experience for you?
Honestly, just being able to work alongside Christy, Betsy, Matt, Kyle, they're all super accomplished individuals and they've all had their own professional journeys. So the pieces of advice that I picked up from them are something I'm never going to forget.
I think it would be meeting our Forest Park neighbors and just being able to tell the U3 story to them and just meet many of the owners one-on-one and just hear what they have to say about us too.
Actually seeing an event that we had all coordinated come together. In particular, the Mutt Strut was for Animal Care League, and we raised a lot of money to help animals in need, which it feels more like personal because you're helping somebody one-on-one.
Working and watching Christy and watching her piece together the startup and piece together the interns and having us work all together as a family.
So we had impactful speakers come every single week of the whole entire internship, and one that specifically stood out to me was Ryan and Angles from the Craft Kitchen, and they kind of spoke to us about how you take a TikTok from start to finish in such a corporate company, and it was just super interesting, and I'll remember it forever.
So what do you feel like will be your biggest takeaway from this internship moving forward?
Kindness. Being kind to everyone, no matter who they are or how you may feel about them, especially in a working environment. Connections are everything, and how I carry myself will definitely be critical in like how people view you and respect you.
I would say the importance of teamwork and team collaboration. I feel like we were able to create a lot of better ideas once we talked to each other and just got everyone's input.
It was really emphasized that everyone should be listened to at the table. Even like the dominant speakers are going to speak, but you have to also listen to everyone else because there's plenty of good ideas just like mustering up in people's brains. And I feel like listening to everyone at the table really brought out like great results.
So for me, I really want to be in kind of the entrepreneurship space, and what I've learned a lot from this internship is managing a ton of projects at once, even when it feels overwhelming, just kind of taking it step by step and never forgetting and losing track of those projects along the way.
Not being afraid to do things that maybe you don't fully know how to do, just always saying yes and just jumping into things unafraid.
What was the most fun internship experience for you?
I would have to say the lab days, just because we got to work together as a team, be creative, come up with new ideas.
The most fun internship experience I had was actually this past week when Black Fodder came in and taught us how to properly make drinks. And as a past barista, it was awesome to see how future drinks that will go into our cafe will be made. So it was really awesome.
So the first week we explored a bunch of different coffee shops and we just tried a bunch of different things on their menu. And that was, obviously so much fun. I love coffee, and just being able to spend that time and bond with the other girls in the internship was really a great start to it.
The most fun internship experience was definitely visiting all the different locations throughout Chicago and seeing like how everyone works and like different workplaces. For example, we went to the Hoxton, which is like a beautiful rooftop working lounge, and it's just really, it's nice to get out of your comfort zone sometimes.
I would say just working with everyone in the coffee lab and prepping the stuff that we needed for all of the different events that we did and all the stuff that we participated in. I would also say all the events we did were really, really fun.